2 years after the original renovation, or in fact it's just gone 2 years now. Some issues showed up. Literally last year we dealt with them, but they're back again. So now the car is going back in to a specialist to have those dealt with. So my third Gen Prelude is going off for some bodywork to be done. It's although the paintwork was done before, unfortunately there are a few places that are coming back through, and we're only a year and a half in from that really, or was it nearly 2 years in. You'll see on this edge here on the seam that it's starting to come back through, and it's you'll see on the bottom there hopefully that there is a bit of rust on the seam. I painted a bit of sealant there earlier on before the season started, the summer season started, but I've been waiting now for 13 months to get this done by somebody who's going to do a really professional job. Also, sills. You can see that it's although I did at the end of last year scrub these back and actually put some under seal on, unfortunately that's going to keep coming back, and the best thing to do is deal with it right now. So that's what we're going to do. So you'll see now I've been pretty busy between the showers because it's been raining today, and basically the guys doing this asked me to strip out the inside of the Prelude. Obviously around the rear arches is key, and he needs access to the sills. Basically if there's any welding that needs doing, we don't want to be burning any of the interior up, and of course it saves me money and him time if I do the job myself. So all the back seats come out, all the seat belts come out. I've got to put this seat belt back in over there because obviously I can't drive it there without it. The final thing that's going to come out is the boot side panels, which are just clipped on the inside here, and then once I've done those, we're pretty much done. Another use for this treadmill. So what I've done is everything I've taken out has been basically stacked up neatly, and then any components that are attached or screwed in, etc., have been attached using this blue masking tape, so it doesn't mark anything, but it keeps everything together. So that makes it for easily assembly when the car comes back.